When I turned 30, I thought I'd have my life all figured out. I mean, isn't that what we're told? You graduate, start a career, get married, and have kids, and then everything just falls into place. But the reality hit me hard. I felt more confused than ever. I was stuck with a job that didn't excite me and had no idea what I really wanted to do. It was like standing at a crossroads with no map, wondering which direction to take. And then I realized that many of us feel this way in our 30s, like we're still searching for our path. So, if you're feeling lost or unsure about your future, you're definitely not alone. And today, we're going to explore how to figure out what you truly want to do in your 30s. This is a journey I've taken, and it's not just about finding a job, it's about discovering your passion and purpose. And trust me, this path is a continuous journey and not a destination because I am also on this journey. Our 30s can be a time of exploration and growth, whether you're changing careers, pursuing new hobbies, or simply trying to find your place in this world. This is an opportunity to learn more about yourself. So, in this course, I'll share practical steps to help you identify your interests, your strengths, and values so you can create a fulfilling path forward. By the end of this video, you have the tools to navigate this journey with confidence. The first step in figuring out what you want to do is to reflect on your interest. What truly excites you? Think about the activities that make you lose track of time and bring you joy. Then, make a list of your top 5 interests. This could include anything from writing to cooking or even volunteering. Identifying these passions can help you see where to focus your energy on. Next, let's talk about your strengths. What are you naturally good at? Sometimes we overlook our talents because they feel so easy to us. You can ask your friends or family what they see as your strengths if you can't see them, because sometimes their perspective can reveal hidden talents. You can also create a strength inventory where you write down skills you possess, like problem solving, communication, or creativity. This can help you align your career choices with your natural abilities. Understanding your core value is crucial. What matters most to you? Is it financial stability, creativity, helping others, or adventure? Your values will guide your decisions and help you find what truly makes you happy. And on this note, write down your top 3 values. Once you have them, evaluate how your current job or lifestyle aligns with those values. This can highlight areas where you might want to make changes. Now that you've reflected on your interests, your strengths and values, it's time to explore potential career options. Research different fields and roles that resonate with you. Use online resources like LinkedIn, Jobberman, or Glassdoor to explore various careers. Watch informational videos or attend webinars related to fields you're curious about. This will give you a better idea of what's out there. Also, one of the best ways to discover what you want is to experiment with side projects. Whether it's freelancing, starting a blog, or volunteering, these experiences can provide clarity on what you love to do. Don't be afraid to try things, because each experience will teach you something valuable, whether it's a new skill or a realization about your passion. Sometimes we need a little help along the way. Seeking guidance from mentors or professionals in fields you're interested in can offer valuable insights. They can share their experiences and provide advice on how to navigate your career path. Reach out to someone in your desired field for an informational interview. Prepare questions about your journey and ask for tips on getting started. Once you have a clear idea of what you want to pursue, it's time to set more goals. Break down your larger goals into smaller, manageable steps. This makes it less overwhelming and helps you track your progress. Use the SMART criteria for your goals. Let it be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For example, if you want to switch careers, a smart goal could be to complete a relevant online course within the next 3 months. As you navigate this journey, remember to stay open to change. Your interests and goals may evolve over time, and that's perfectly natural. Embrace the idea that it's okay to pivot and explore new directions as you learn more about yourself. Keep a growth mindset. Instead of viewing setbacks as failures, see them as opportunities to learn and grow. So let's recap the steps to figure out what you want to do in your 30s. 1. Reflect on your interests. And 2. Identify your strengths. 3. Consider your values. 4. Explore career options. 5. Experiment with side projects. 6. Seek guidance and mentorship. 7. Set goals and create a plan. 8. Stay open to change. This journey is all about discovering what makes you happy and fulfilled. So it's okay to feel uncertain, but taking these steps can help you gain clarity and confidence. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and share your thoughts or experiences concerning your 30s in the comments below. You can also come back to my channel for more personal development tips. You're not alone on this journey, and I'm here to support you every step of the way. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.